Finally here. Let's start the fire, Sonic. I did it already. Oh, thank you. Mommy, what am I gonna do? Well, you can first pick from the swan or the. We don't. Wait. I'll go bring out the slug one in one moment. Be right back. Okay, here you go. I got 3. One for Daisy. Daisy, you can hop in the water. I'll get the swan. Carter, do you want to swim? Nah, I want to get a tan. Sure, I'll come. You know what? I'm gonna watch everybody else. I will come with you. I'm gonna make some marshmallows and some s'mores. Hey, I made all the s'mores and now you just need to eat the marshmallows, but they need to be roasted. I want to roast my s'more. Oh yeah, that was so good. Anyways, let's hop on my slug. Little girl, you need to hop on the slug. But I found a sloth. Little girl, put that sloth down right now. Fine. Stop. I want a sloth. Little girl, now hop in the water. I want to swim off. See ya. Oh, and also on my way, I need a marshmallow. And another. See ya. I'm a little hungry. I eat the stick. Good. Hey, what's this place? There's like a bottle with a crumpled up piece of paper with a note paper. Oh, look. You would find it in a drawer. Keys don't find in drawers much well. Picture of the old abandoned shed. It looks like this shed. Pictures these days. Maybe it's just a Photoshop. Oh, look. Oh my god. That's like a crumpet thing. I've heard of legends of crumpets. Legends say that crumpets are like the most. The key! Yeah! I found the key. Anyways, let's just reach it with my levitating powers. Crumpets. I thought they were just a. I can't make the rain stop. Hello, I am. I thought you were another crumpet, but you're a human. Humans scattered all of the crumpets around the world. How am I supposed to know you're a good one? Speak, talk, speak. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you want me to speak, is that a marshmallow? Yeah, you want it? Yes, I want it. Fine, take it. Turns out you are a worthy friend because you gave me the marshmallow. What? Anyways, I've been trying to contact my friends. They have a kingdom in their so-called friends attic. And I've been trying to call them, but they don't listen. Because they probably don't have my number. And I'm also very annoyed. So I built this lounge chair. Anyways, there's not just one of me. There's 2 of me. But stay far away from me. Stay far away. Because he is very dangerous. So do you mind if you stay the night with me? Because I need to, research more. So, yeah. Please. Okay. Okay. Which room's yours? Oh, you can sleep nowhere. You don't get to sleep tonight. Wait, what? Wait, I don't get to sleep? Wait, what? No! JK, you get to sleep. Oh, okay. Yes, Pink Girl? I'm going to be sleeping in a shed today because it's comfortable. It's a mattress shed, okay? Okay. Bye. Have a nice time. I got him. What is wrong with you? I'm trying to roast it. And Pink Girl won't be having a marshmallow. A roasted one at least. So not rough. Go give this to her. I got another. Time to roast that one with this one. Oh, you could have just took mine. No, it's fine. I think I might take a roasted s'more on the way. Okay, that's good. I'm going to carry it on my head. Bye! It's sunset now. Pink Girl, how do you know about the old abandoned... Alyssa! I missed you so much. Scientist Crumpet! It's been so long. I know. Scientist Yes. It's been so long, sweetie. Ew. I still can't get over. Anyways, here's a marshmallow. You're going to be sleeping in the old abandoned Crumpet shed? Yeah? So now you've done the family things that everybody else... Well, I started, actually. Anyways, so now you're going to learn about it, then your brothers and sisters will learn you, and yada, yada, yada. Anyways, yeah, have a nice time. Scientist Crumpet, can you make sure she's safe? Okay. Of course, my love. Why is it raining in here? Oh, just reasons. Bye. Another Crumpet?
Golly. Gee, you're pretty.
You weirdo. You creep. Get back in your bed. Ew, he's chewing on my marshmallows. Just have it then. Ew. He's very deadly.
Golly. I am.
He's crazy. I don't know. But yeah. Bye, Mother. Bye, Mom. Nom, 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 nom. Bye. I am so proud of her. Hey, eat your marshmallows already.
Me? Proud of what?
Read? Proud of what? None of your business.
Everything's my business.
Everything's my business. Hiss! Hiccuping. My sloth and me got married. Isn't that spectacular? What?